What's up, guys? I'm Random Frank P, and today we're going to be checking out the 2019 Razer Holiday Gaming Bundle. This year available exclusively on BestBuy.com, and as you can see, it contains three and a half things inside their gaming bundle. So something like this is going to be good for maybe gamers just starting out. You don't want to spend, a bunch of money on all different peripherals. Here you get one bundle, and this is $120, which is the same price of last year's bundle, which was available, I believe, only on Walmart. So this year, over at Best Buy for $120 as well. So we'll just get it all unboxed, see what's inside, and take a look at the peripherals here for their essential bundle. And first up is the Razer Chroma right there. Oh, they're all in individual boxes. The Death Adder Essential, which is their mouse. And lastly, the Goliathus Speed Cosmic Edition mouse pad. So we'll save this stuff. Let's just hop into the Razer. Oh, there's actually nothing underneath. Okay. The Razer Chroma keyboard. Again, this is gonna be best for people just starting out. You don't know maybe where to start in terms of looking for gaming peripherals for PC gaming. So that's where these essential products come into play. It's not their high-end gear, it's from the essential lineup. Okay, so yes, the Razer Chroma. And the thing about this is that it's a membrane keyboard. So it's not gonna have mechanical switches. But let's get this plugged in and I'll show you some of the RGB lighting. Plug that into a USB slot, and just like that, you'll see it start to illuminate. And with something like this, if you plug it into your PC, download Synapse, you can then take advantage of, customizing the lighting in terms of RGB lighting effects and stuff. So you do have that capability, but again, as you hear, kind of mushy switches because they're not mechanical. They are their membrane switches. But honestly, I started off with membrane switches. My first gaming keyboard was also a membrane keyboard. So if you're just starting out, you're not gonna, not gonna care too much when you're just transitioning. Now we have their mouse pad right here, which would go along with the mouse, the Death Adder Essential. And I said in the beginning, there were 3.5 things kind of included inside the box. You also get a little keychain, which is a little key switch tester of looking like their Razer green switch. Let's see. Yes, their Razer green switch. So they're kind of giving you a taste of what the mechanical keyboard life is like. Kind of like a little tease along with your mecha membrane keyboard. Funny that they actually do that for you. Of course, packaging, the Razer sticker. Let's get the mouse out now for the Death Adder Essential. This also has the chroma lighting and stuff. It's a nice ergonomic mouse. It's pretty popular amongst the Razer gaming community out there. Get that plugged in, and yes, same story. Chroma lighting comes to life along with the keyboard. You can have it synced up in the software. And this is what you get for $120. Now, it's not obviously going to be a bundle where you're gonna buy this and stick with it forever if you're serious about RGB gaming, pretty much, PC gaming. But again, if you are somebody, I've said it 5 times now, transitioning from console gaming into PC gaming, you don't know where to start, where to look in terms of what peripherals you should buy. A holiday bundle like this is actually a pretty cool, kind of idea from Razer. Other companies have done it in the past, but they've been doing this kind of thing for a few years now. So you get the Razer Essential keyboard, the Death Adder Essential mouse, and a mouse pad for $120. So yeah, obviously not their top of the line products here, just things to get you going. I always forget how nice this mouse feels in the hand. The Death Adder is a very popular mouse, and again, depending on your grip, I love an ergo mouse. That's just my personal preference, but man, yeah, this does feel really good. If you were to buy it all separately, the Razer Chroma is $50. The Death Adder Essential is also $50. And checking Amazon right now, the Goliathus Speed mouse pad is actually $15. So $115 buying it all separately, and $120 if you buy the bundle. I guess they kind of charge you $5 for this as a little inclusion, but Best Buy should probably drop that price to like $100 if they want this to make sense, because why buy the bundle if you can buy it separately for cheaper? It probably would have been a better deal overall if they included a headset like the Kraken X, which is a really good gaming headset for $50. I feel like that included here would have definitely made this a killer value for all of your peripherals in one box for $120. That would have been good. That would have been worth it. But yeah, I figured just doing a little unboxing and first look at the 2019 Razer Holiday Essential Gaming Bundle. They had one last year. I did the unboxing last year as well. I know Corsair had a bundle last year, but not for 2019. Showing off the Razer 2019 Holiday Bundle. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.